So today in this video I'm going to show how to change this watch time. For that, simply press here, long press here, so you can see here you can change your hour time. Now for the minute time, press again here. So as you can see, this is blinking, minute time is blinking. Simply change by tapping here, so you can see minute is changing. And after that, you simply tap here, double tap here. Okay, so today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your time in this watch. For example, press here 1 minute, hour, so you can change your hour time. For example, it's 1 o'clock. Now again press here, again press here. So as you can see, minute, you can fix your minute time. Now again press here, again press, again press, again press, so you can fix your clock time.